Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Alright, I've got something good to share with you guys this week. If you guys haven't already seen this was in live beta for some time now, and now things are a little bit more stable, and I'd like to share this with you guys. Basically, Ikan Bilis is actually a prop trading firm based here in Singapore, and we're looking to fund traders. And currently, if you join our Discord channel and engage with the community, you are able to get a free challenge, which usually costs $89, right? This will get you funded upwards of $10,000, and as you reach milestones, you able to get up to $100,000 in trading funds. So there are a lot of other prop trading firms out there. However, some are scams, and some and most do not have a very fair evaluation mechanism. So please do check us out and come say hi in the Discord channel. And if you'd like to know more information about this, you could check out our Medium. Look at the post. But basically, right now, if you join the Discord channel, we are giving out our token, which can be exchanged for a free trading challenge. So please do check us out. So starting with the Aussie dollar, this week's price traded rather choppily. We're expecting some upwards movement as the US Senate came to a consensus to intermittently raise the debt ceiling until December 2021. However, uncertainty will continue to loom in the market if the Democrats are not given a free pass when it comes to the debt ceiling situation. So what will we see for the Aussie dollar? For the bull case, we should see a retest of a 0.75 level before any major resistance is met, after which we will wait and see what the price action does. Value is definitely towards the upside, but in the short term, we do not know what will happen. And for the bear case, it is possible that the price gives us another leg down to retest 0.70, where we will get a strong support towards the upside.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.